Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And that right there, that intro right there, might be longer than what it's going to actually take for me to show you how to start a business from home without having to spend any money out of pocket in less than a couple of minutes. And this right here will give you access to millions and millions of products. So whatever you're thinking about promoting, or if you don't have any idea of how you want to go about making money online, this video right here is for you. Okay, you guys, so we're back and we're going to jump right into it. And I'm going to just tell you guys this right now. If anybody ever asks you what's the fastest, easiest way to start a home-based business, you can actually share with them this video right here, because this right here may be the simplest, easiest way for you to start a business without spending any money out of pocket, once again, and just being able to set up your business as a whole. This may be the fastest. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, we're on a very popular site, and you should be familiar with it, just like millions and millions, and I should even say billions of people are already familiar with this particular website, and it's Amazon.com. So right now, we're at the top of the Amazon page. We're on our computer. We're not on mobile, but it may actually have this option on your cell phone, on mobile, but I prefer to do things from a computer because, of course, the additional things that I do to make money from home, it works so much easier when you're using an actual PC or laptop as compared to a cell phone. So we're on the Amazon website. What we need to do first is scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we're not going to go all the way down to the bottom, because if you go all the way down, you're going to miss what you need. Now, Amazon has a lot of information on their website, and if you've come to this part here, you have gone too far. You need to scroll up just a tad bit. And what you should be looking at is this section right here where it says make money with us. And all you're going to do is click on become an affiliate. Now, once when you click on to become an affiliate, your page is going to look a little bit different, because my account is already set up, so it's taking me directly to my back office. But what I want to tell you is this: once when you click that link, it's going to ask you a bunch of simple questions. It's not going to be a lot of questions. It's not going to be a need for you to have any, too personal information added on there. You won't have to put in your tax information or anything like that. You'll just have to put in your basic information as if you were setting up your social media account, something like your Facebook or any other social media account. Now, once when you've done that, Amazon is going to let you know that your account is set up and you're now officially an affiliate. Now, the next thing you want to do once when that's set up is the second website you're going to go to is going to be the same as the first website, which is Amazon.com. So you're going to go to Amazon.com, and when you go there this time, your page is going to look a little bit different from what a normal person who just has an Amazon shopping account would look like. Now, as an affiliate, you're going to have this option at the top of your website page. It's going to say Amazon Associates Site Stripe. Now, depending on what it is that you're looking to do online, and especially if you're someone like myself who's big into the affiliate marketing and how to make money from home niche, you'll be searching for all kinds of stuff on Amazon. There's literally millions of products that you can purchase and actually promote on Amazon.com. Now, one thing that I actually did was this. I did a quick search, seeing as though I'm in the affiliate marketing niche, and I'm gonna just click enter again so you guys can kind of get an idea of the top results that came up. So when I typed in affiliate marketing, it came up with look like some trainings, books, informational things, or in my niche, what they would call a lot of these things kind of like lead magnets, or products that a person is actually promoting to sell and making money from home with. Their strategies of how to actually make money from home, doing the various things that they actually do within their expertise. So the one I was actually on was the 7-figure agency roadmap. So depending on if you're the type of individual who's looking to create a 7-figure agency, you might be interested in this book right here. So all you would have to do is just click on it. It'll take you to the web page that actually gives the information on this product and service. And here's where the magic is. This is how you actually make money from home with Amazon. So as an affiliate, only thing you have to do to get your affiliate link for this particular product is to click right up here where it says get link. You can get the text link, an image link, or text and image. Now those things are for more advanced marketers, and that's for those who want to actually create a website to promote the products or the particular niche of products that they want to promote. So this will have like a picture of the product where a person can click on it on your website and actually go to it. That becomes very helpful when you become more of an advanced marketer. But as a beginner, only thing you want to do is click on text, and this lets you know your business ID, which of course I'm MrRVADelivered.com, so mine will say RVA Delivered, and this right here is my actual affiliate link for this page here for this product. So all I'm going to do is copy it, and what I advise anybody as a new or beginner affiliate marketer who's looking to make money from home, one of the best tools that you can actually use is free and readily available on your laptop or your PC, and that's the notepad. So I advise everybody to make sure when you first start, open up a blank notepad document and start to implement the copy and paste method of copying your affiliate link for whatever product you're looking to promote and pasting it into that WordPad document so that you'll be able to save them and have easy accessibility to them. Once when you get more advanced, it's going to come in handy because you may start to promote your products through video, through social media, and you don't want to have to keep going back to Amazon trying to find your links. This makes it so much easier to have a notepad. So since I already copied it, I'm just going to open it on another page just to make sure that it takes me to that product. Okay, awesome. So it takes me there. So that right there lets me know that my affiliate link is working. This right here is coded to me. So if I was to share that particular link with anybody, a friend, a family member, anybody on social media, if I'm actually physically meeting someone and I decided that, hey, I wanted to build my business face to face, I can actually put my affiliate link on my card, my business card, or whatever other type of promotional device that I want to present to a potential customer. And of course, if you're interested in learning more advanced ways of making money with Amazon and other ways that I actually implement make it a lot easier so that you don't have to worry about, going through all the hassles of following up with potential customers. If you need automated processes that'll help you do it, make sure that you click the link in the description, which I will share with you a free training system that will show you exactly how you can start to build a passive residual income from home. So with that, I hope this has been helpful. Have a great rest of your day.